two dice. A. What is the probability that the sum of the two dice is 7? B. What is the probability that the sum of the dice is 3? C. What is the probability that the number on the dice are different? D. What is the probability of getting an even number on both dice? E. What is the probability of getting an odd sum?
Probability of dice. Number 1. What is the probability that the sum of the two dice is 7? Answer 1/6.
The easiest way to solve this problem is to consult the table above. You will notice that in each row, there is one dice row where the sum of the two dice is equal to 7. Since there are 6 rows, there are 6 possible outcomes where the sum of the two dice is equal to 7. The number of total possible outcomes remains 36. Again, we find the probability by dividing the event frequency, 6, by the size of the sample space, 36, resulting in a probability of 1/6.
Yeah. What is the probability that the sum of the dice is 3? Answer 3.
In the previous problem, you may have noticed the cells where the sum of two dice is equal to 7 form a diagonal. The same is true here, except in this case, there are only 2 cells where the sum of a dice is 3.
What is the probability that the number on the dice are different? Answer 5C.
We can easily solve this problem by consulting the table above. You will notice that the cells where the numbers on the dice are the same form a diagonal. There are only 6 of them, and once we cross them out, we have the remaining cells in which the numbers on the dice are different. We can take the number of combinations, 30, and divide it by the size of the sample space, 36, resulting in a probability of 5/6.
Okay, go. 4. What is the probability of getting an even number on both dice? 9 equals possible combination of even numbers. 6 times 6 equals 6. Set 2 for 6 multiplied by set 2 for 6 equals 3 times 3 equals 9 possible combination of even number. Therefore, required probability is 9/36 or 1/4.
This can be solved in a simple way. We toss dice twice. So total number of outcomes, 6 times 6 equals 36. We need even numbers on both dice. So possible number of arrangements are set 2 for 6 multiplied by set 2 for 6 equals 3 times 3 equals 9 possible combination of even numbers. Therefore, required probability is 9/36 equals to 1/4.
What is the probability of getting an odd sum? Probability odd and probability even or probability even and probability odd equals 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4 equal to 1/2. Answer 1/2.
Suppose we roll 2 dice. It is assumed each die is fair and 6-sided. It means a roll of any value, the probability equal 1/6. Each die has 3 even values. Set 2 for 6 and 3 odd values, set 1, 3, 5. This means that we need one die to be odd and the other to be even, in order for the sum of 2 dice to be odd. So we want to know the probability of getting odd and even, or even and odd. That probability is calculated by probability, open parenthesis, odd, close parenthesis, is equal probability of getting an odd number. Probability, open parenthesis, even, close parenthesis, is equal to probability of getting an even number. Probability odd and probability even is equal to 3, 6. 3, 6 is equal to 1/2. 1/2 is equal to 1/4. Probability even and probability odd is equal to 3 6 equal to 1/2 and is equal to 1/4. Probability of getting an even and odd or odd and even. Probability odd and probability even is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Answer 1/2.